Right, now we're going to talk about something called additional data. This is where we can attach certain data sets, such as population in this instance, to our zones. So if we start by adding a couple of zone names, we'll call them zone 1, add, zone 2, add. Zoom in a bit, colour some areas like so, and we want to know what the population is of these two areas that we've coloured in. So we go to additional data, activate additional data, and then that's automatically selected the only data set available for this user, and up here you can see it's totting up the population in zone 1 and the population in zone 2, and as we add areas you can see that the population increases or decreases like so. And then you can go even further in and it'll do the individual postcode districts. Hide the population data, show the population data, and we can attach your own data to it, and it's a feature we are going to implement very soon where you can upload your own data. So you might have sales figures or targets or whatever you want to put in there. So watch this space.